Enzo Fernandez in Sensem. Me say before I ever call World Cup, now brand any show signs be. Say be a onya club for be obeti me akọ. And that time, me the na me susu said they are brand 10 person free Chelsea nano. And he said because Chelsea and Timmy and qualify nyame ad my Europe. Obeti me abobi. Ti probably be anunti and our brand 10 person free team no de call. Yakobo World Cup aba. After the World Cup, me share Dante story bia na maintain from no Enzo no says so na be person free Chelsea. But they said they na ya like no. As a more brand 10 free Chelsea. Ako City no. Aya too soft to do. My brand brand no.
Me honestly speaking, I'll clap for Enzo. I'll clap for Bluco. And I told you now, the management of this summer has been fantastic. Rich, Enzo Fernandez, has he also shown you or said anything that suppose that Operation Chelsea? Have you seen anywhere? Kopama, there is quotes. Kopama so person. Rich, unim say at the beginning of this transfer window, Barcelona suma deco. Emmanuel Koche FA Cup final. No Koche player. Joao Pedro. They were willing. Unless there is something I missed. But Barca were willing. Deco was in London. Maybe he was a decoy. To watch Joao Pedro. Chelsea were clear. Say yen ton Joao Pedro. Kopama. Chelsea have been clear. See yen ton Kopama. Chelsea have given contract extension to Moises Caicedo. Even Wesley Fofana, who today, in the performance last season was not the best. Chelsea have been clear that they won't sell him. Oshe Obiti say Levi Cole with the injuries. Even Malo Gusto. The club's position is that you're not willing to sell unless the player says that he wants to leave the club. Which, as now an example, no? If you go back slightly, you realize that the first thing Arsenal says here is the team culture. And to make sure that they have players that are willing to be there. When you go to the Arsenal team today, when Madrid made incursions around William Saliba, he said he wants to be at Arsenal. And yet, the only quote that we can attribute to Enzo Fernandez was last season, after one of the games. One beside Enzo said, can he guarantee his future for Chelsea? Or say, young focus on games now, and he can't really guarantee. What does that mean? Those were Enzo Fernandez's words. He opened the door for Madrid. The agent has clearly opened the door for Madrid. They have opened the door for other clubs. So for Chelsea, for me, the makers I'll clap for them is that at this point in time, the best thing you can do for the club is to change the club culture. That is all. So Chelsea beats me successful. Rich, we've seen brilliance from Enzo Maresca, Ejigui. We've seen proper management from Pochettino. Yaboka final ni FA Cup final ni Yabobi, Champions League ni Yabobi, under Bluco. We've got even experience a couple of years ago. Now confuse Bluco into experience, but we forgot. Say the first 5 players Chelsea bought were experienced players. Aubameyang, Sterling, Koulibaly. These are players that did not succeed at the club because the culture at the club was stinking. It is a Chelsea can solve that issue of culture. And then make sure that they have players. And now exactly 3 years and Moises Caicedo signed my club. Which have you for once ever felt? Opa bisa Chelsea Nibia. So you're worried about Moises Caicedo. But if a player for some time, any agent keeps on lurking around it, you're crying him, you're Yanko. Enzo was suspended from playing Chelsea matches last season. Let me review. So for me, everything that Chelsea are doing, they are setting the culture right. And in setting the culture right, that's why I catch Manchester City say, Rodri. What could tell Elliot Anderson 116 million? Who could tell you Boade 100 million and I say 80 million? If you say that truly you want the player, we have given you a time frame. Buy the player. When you buy the player, then we go to the transfer market to go and reinvest the money. Rich, I don't think that we can there are certain times I need a bit more question the ambition of Bluco. This season, we players are yet to the Sasi, Bariashile. Last season, we players here, Joe Mukwaya. Those were no mainstay players. Nicholas Jackson, we know the story around Nicholas Jackson. Me, I was never in support in selling, letting Nicholas Jackson go. Noni Madueke same. But truly, if you look at the numbers proper, what was Noni Madueke's contribution to the Arsenal team? Insignificant. Miminyaya, and we have Noni Madueke there. By now he is growing. But when you look at the player himself pushing, and the Noni story was that Noni said on Unabusi Afonya to North London. When say Emir Renfi, Noni Ebo, Toria Mospe Academy. So his family is in North London. And commuting from South London to North London almost every game time, was a little bit tough for him and he wanted to go. In fact, Rich, so Obekaya, Noni left Chelsea camp on the eve of going to play the Club World Cup final. So the talent is not in doubt, but the player wants to go. Sometimes you want to keep them. But Obi Ayakobo Cup final, Arichie, no player is a Chinchin want to go and sign that contract and go. His head is turned. And for all of those people, you take them away and build a club culture. If Enzo wants, and that is why I like the fact that the caveat has been clear. 5 p.m. today, you would sell. And say Antonio this summer, Chelsea has been clear Antonio January. This is next summer. And I'm sure by next summer, they would have had enough from Enzo to say that, okay, truly we think that you have to be here to fight with you, or we'll go back to the negotiation table and discuss the contract extension. But one year, now Enzo, he feels that Obetzma conflicts with club. You are putting the player above the club. And yes, small time, there are other South Americans in the team. Joao Pedro, Bastona Beba. And these are some of the things Atletico de Madrid have done in the last years. Because Basaba, then the player will flex, the player will force the move. You better at some point in time the batch. Only Basaphobe breeding come. Almost you himself at some point in time. Joe Marie Mabeka say cry bread. Antics. So we set the standards. If you want to go, you go. We invest the money. Rich, say and set the standard and culture right, I will be struggling. Before you come in, okay. Rich, you have to play 117 million pounds this season. This is a player that, let us not forget this. Morgan Rogers, Arsenal for BDU. And you say, Arsenal and come Morgan Rogers. Arsenal bid for Morgan. In a Morgan said, Debbie, Chelsea has convinced me that the project is good. He always mentioned speaking to Xabi Alonso. And Xabi saying that, okay, so come. So if Morgan Rogers, scoring 58 goals and assists in 2 seasons, can choose Chelsea over Arsenal, for me, that is ambition. So who could Italian Serie A? No one can go to Davide Zappacosta. Now go to the best fullback defender. Our Italian Serie A, it's ambition. I can understand. The Enzo Fernandez issue is very tricky. Rich, Chelsea should not make a mistake there and put the player ahead of the club. Yes, I will be a baby. And Estevao, every ball games. No, I said 20-30 goals in a season. Estevao will feel that he can go and flex. No. For every player, and you have the right to say that, okay, contra fine, that is there. Mm-hmm. But when you can't call press conference, Enzo, can you guarantee that you stay? So, I'm not sure. Enzo said it. I was trying to look for the quote.
The first player.
Exactly.
In most cases, players who call press conference, our question now. Catch us to see the concentration.
Exactly.
If we are, they will move on to a question our person.
Exactly.
It's normal. And you maybe I'm reading a lot of meanings into national kind.
No. Who said my catch us saying to come put that pull on said and Casavi. But Rich, if right after that your agent backs it up with verbatim statements, say player no Madrid for catch change on panel. Yeah, crash that. Meanwhile, also need send Madrid phone contact on Enzo Fernandez. Exactly. If today, Rich, me makani several times. When he say Andre Santos Andre now will receive salary more than Enzo. Enzo £180,000 a week. Chicken change is no money. Me, I feel like Chelsea should up the money, and that's why I keep on saying that Asika. Because player no can find 24,000 euros. And now Benfica 40 each week. Benfica, Enyiska. But that was the level of Benfica. Now they're by 180. Osha jump now, almost 500% jump. A big boom. But the players change has changed. And then who compare top level midfielders with Yasia, you put Enzo in there. So if Andre Santos can go to Manchester United and get 200,000, if Sandro Tonali for Newcastle, Equatorial Mospe, get 300,000, they are taking good money. Enzo deserves that amount of money. And for me, that's why the players head will turn. But if the agents keeps on doing what they're doing, then you take the player, we'll build a team. And I'm telling you, Enzo Maresca team not also at Manchester City. There is no indication that they'll be more successful than Chelsea in the next 2 years. Nothing convinces me. A midfielder has lost Bernardo Silva or Tom Rodrigo Cascante in thinking that a midfielder of Enzo Kovacic will be more successful than Lavia Caicedo. Well, we'll wait to see. But for me, I think Bluco has done a good job this summer. Goalkeeper. Robert Sanchez the goal, but sometimes the Buzo moments come. And if they've not gotten a goalkeeper, they've brought in Morgan Rogers. Rich, you will draw Pedro team. A bit more about Palestre, a bit more about Estevao, a bit more about Coenda. There is depth now. Centre back issues need to solve it. So, plus getting Chabi Alonso, that is huge.
My difference is Kakrabi. Yes, and of course, she has some goalkeeper reference.
Robert
Sanchez wants to be can later because BOT platform maybe any more stance on him last season, pulling some numbers into Obiama. So who same person is saying Kamuma goalkeeper, but I don't ever can one. So now I heard you mention the first statement and I say Enzo Fernandez and Chere say Opesotina.
No, Minka's on Jesus. Okay, Minka say what I meant was that he has not been open that he wants to stay.
He doesn't have to be.
Oh, but Kopama has.
He doesn't have to be because if I heard you right yesterday, you were the same person that says during the World Cup. I think you mentioned the wife.
Yeah.
You mentioned Argentine journalists asking him questions, and you said the answers. He said, "Sir, on Madrid flight, was over."
Yeah. No. What I was trying to say is, I want to say you mentioned say Enzo no. As on share and BB as Soko. And my question was that Enzo no, has he also shown something that he wants to stay?
So you see, the player has not shown extremely Soko. And on himself or contract with Chelsea, the contract alone is enough for Obia to know say he that is the club he plays for. He doesn't have to openly come and say Chelsea investment to mean anything.
His agent has.
And because unknown player no. You be most of this is pre-season on my Oba and only training. So what? No, but what does he need? He doesn't need
Oba training.
Which even if he is moody, once he has come for training, he has a contract with the club. He is playing. Yeah. He doesn't have to go outside or make any extraordinary
what Chelsea are saying is that Enzo is not being moody. We're bad training. But your first game of season we Monday, week, and a Friday. Still, the agent and the player have not been clear, and that's why I asked you that question. Has Enzo been clear? You see, sometimes there's an ambiguous statement, and like okay, oh yeah, what season, that person, are you certain? Say I'm Pampo Betina. You are not certain. So when we don't clarify,
what I'm saying is at the player be about Chelsea pre-season in have you gone one to ask Obia say tell us to be clear. Oh, why do you say over sorting and send a bear? Let me land. Some American say. Sad discussion in Bono. To me, it doesn't come in because Mama example of Julian Alvarez. He has been clear. Me was on the so. Why you moody or Chobibia? But still the club says you are key to us, so stay. And you say club with ambition. I am bigger than any player saying maybe some corner say oh show signs. We could on show signs be a team Julian Alvarez they know. Julian Alvarez called it waka. But the club still says we want you to stay. So my departure from the Oak and say one, the player doesn't need to make any statement say middle Chelsea. Asana waka say, okay, Udo Chelsea there, no, he doesn't have that responsibility. And 2, war club, no, what ambition is saying. Does your ambition include keeping your best players in the team to win?
There is no ambition if you don't set the club culture right.
And I'm saying because the culture, no, must it come from you, the club, or the player?
It comes from everybody.
So you insist your best players stay.
You for one.
It's supposed to be your policy.
You have been very critical of the fact that Chelsea players are too young. Sometimes young players, they don't set the culture right. Like a Desi Carl or more time on Bano. So Chelsea is okay, fine. For some analysts like you, you've made sense. Into your experienced players like Jordan Henderson and Welbeck to come in to set the culture, because Jordan Henderson said, Jack, you can't win the Premier League with this attitude. Mm-hmm. Now, again, in all of that, what I keep on saying is that for all the players at Chelsea, none of them, 2 players spend a call Madrid and a bar back. And I saw 2 players, they kept on saying, they kept on flirting with Madrid. Mm-hmm. One, the issue about Madrid City wanting to leave there, wanting to play for the club, and the agent could try and also. And the Ibisa, I don't know, I'm not going to clarify. The agent is the extension of the player. It is a war chrono, echo. In fact, those 2 players granted an interview and spoke about the ills about Enzo Maresca. 2 players. And now, what's for an interview? Also, many sporting directors a meeting, and they promised them stability. Now, that one player that was vocal about it, Ebeka say I Madrid. Akabako. Ni agent eko kojina Madrid Chrome, any El Chiringuito for your interview. Say boy, no money Madrid de casa. Until Madrid came to tell us that they were not interested in Enzo Fernandez, all of us were sitting on tenterhooks. Nia Babak, agents left for South America about England. And reports are that only Man City are in constant talks. You mentioned Di Marzio, who is Italian, Maresca is Italian. There have been the likes of Jacobs Ben, who have been constantly been saying for 1 week, say Javier Pastore, Man City for a club that is going to play his first match next week Monday. Our own new coach, he wants to make sure say by the time Monday ni bebano. And you have Enzo training Friday. We are City for this Canaba. What club is this? So we set the record on Friday.
My last words.
My mama 1 minute.
I'll not even last 1 minute. My last words in here. It seems Fiifi is not listening to me. Whatever Javier Pastore Beko Akok Dina Bebiaka, the Ensem for Beka, any BBR, it doesn't affect the contract that Enzo Fernandez wore with Chelsea.
But you also understand
that I will just finish this year. I have heard your point. I legitimate. I understand why you are on that tangent. But Massimo Mikeni say, it doesn't set the standard for Chelsea. It doesn't. My conclusion, and I say, if you bring in Hendo, if you bring in Danny Welbeck to help improve on your experience in shaping the club culture, Nasomoba, normally one of your best players, it is counterproductive.
And that is true.
That is my point.
100%. But my also departure from that, is the fact, say, if some experienced player, Enzo Fernandez, say other top players, Cole Palmer, Reece James, and the likes have shown that projects now, any problems here, they still want to fight and get the project right. But who's supposed to be a senior player, keeps on flirting with other clubs. That if we don't put the club ahead of the player, then the young players will go on with that. So for me, I agree with Blue Cool. And then 4 p.m. Enzo Maresca got in a press conference. So on your show, say no, meet my deal, no. But he said it with a smirk on his face, on a bad man. Yeah, channel. The match you say almost
120 in your mind ready.
Almost 100. You see, they keep on saying 120 million euros. Yes, it pounds. 120 million euros is around 102. Move for pounds in Emra. Near for player, man.
I'm not going to 2 English. So why mention euros?
Aye, the match your report here keeps on.
Okay, say you know, or Italian India.
I'm on 4 pounds, Emra.
Aye,
I'm 4 pounds, Emra. So yes, Rodri must. You go for this kind of come. I'm the cabo.
Kasta Ziko message na me mfani nkomo kitu every man na me to nkomo so emfa ma say